Hello everyone, welcome back to Artificially Important. Today I've got kind of a doozy for you. It's a little bit of an old article, but I think due to COVID and everything that's going on, it really didn't get much attention. So let's talk about it right now. So artificial brains need sleep too. So desperate AI researchers discover a way to stabilize neuromorphomic. Now if I didn't pronounce it right, let me know in the comments, and because I know you will, processors. So this comes out of Los Alamos National Laboratory. And what they were finding is that neural networks, so Watkins and her team found that the neural stimulations became unstable after continuous periods of unsupervised learning, so much as a human brain does after learning so much. You get tired. They were starting to see that with a neural network. So then they exposed the networks to states of analogous, there are states that are analogous to the waves of living brains experiencing during sleep, and the stability restored itself. So they started to think, well, that's odd. Why would a computer need to sleep? So they go on to continue to say that the discovery came out of the research team who worked to develop neural networks that closely approximate how humans and other biological systems learn to see. So pretty much since we're designing a computer off of humans and other living beings, the likelihood that they do have to sleep is much higher. Now even with it being a computer, it is quite amazing when you really think about it and how they were able to find this out. So this comes along after a last-ditch effort to try to stabilize these networks, because they were giving out a bunch of information and learning in the wrong ways. So the researchers decided to expose the network to an artificial analog of sleep as a last-ditch effort to try to stabilize them. So what they believe happens is that the noise mimics the input received by biological neurons during slow wave sleep. So much as we would sleep, we're trying to mimic that within the machine itself. I think I find this topic very interesting, because are we humans developing technology the same as we are, or were us humans developed by technology in the first place? And that really makes you think. I know there's always some talk about like this simulation theory, and I know Elon Musk believes that and is a supporter of that, but it really does make you think how closely tied humans are to technology. And I think as AI and machine learning continue to advance, we are going to see probably a more closeness to that, especially if we can figure out what really consciousness is. Is consciousness just a bunch of neurons firing and that make up memories, or is it something more? And that's why I find this article so interesting, and this research so interesting. What do you guys think of all this? Did you expect a brain or a computer brain to have to sleep? I sure didn't. Let me know down in the comments, and especially when you're down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great artificial intelligence commentary. So subscribe, or I'll send Arnold after you. So we'll see you in the next one.